Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we are in Prospect again, and this house off to the right, which we hope you can all see, is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's got a nice, all kinds of verandas and decks and outdoor space where you can look out over the ocean. The ocean's behind us right now. So I think I'll turn and just kind of go past this a little bit so people can see the front of this house, because it's really just a gorgeous, gorgeous property.
They don't have any fencing, you know?
No fencing or anything yet.
Yeah,
so
at least yet.
Yeah, look at the front door. I love that front door.
Mm-hmm.
That's just a beautiful, beautiful property. Beautiful. Just beautiful, just gorgeous. Better make sure nobody's behind me. Yeah, I really like that. Really like that. I bet that's the master bedroom there. And then that's the master bath. Oh, that could be the bedroom over here too. Or they just have a door. The one's got a patio, the other's got a door. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Oh, like where the rooms are, they have a little patio.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Well, let's go down this way first. Then we'll work our way back around here before we do the next thing. Well, let me hustle along down the road here and find something to show y'all. That little purple flower back there, I think, is the national flower. Oh, look at the little orange bird of paradise. See him? Yeah. Well, there's some really nice places, and then some places that are just not really, extremely well kept. Oh, this is going to be a nice house. Look at this, people. Wow. They got the septic tank sitting in the garage. Wow. Yep. I like it. I'm ready to move in. As soon as they get done, I'll be moving in. Huh, I only wished.
This one cracking, it's
a
long time one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's one back in there. That looks like a wood house. Oh yeah, that's a wood house.
I see another one here.
Yeah. Yeah. And then over here to the right, too, sweetie. There's a couple roosters in the yard. One of them's a rooster anyway. I don't know about the other. I don't know how to tell. And then there, I don't think that goes anywhere in particular. I'll better look at my map and see, though. And just see. Oh, it goes just a short ways. It just goes a short ways, so. And it's got one of those smaller roads. Should I bother with it? I'm not going to bother with it. I'm going to go this way. Restaurant and lounge, VIP.
Okay.
See that?
See that a vehicle coming in.
Yeah, look at them.
Going that way.
Getting ready to have some doings, as they call them.
Where restaurant and lounge around the back.
Hmm.
Around the back.
Oh, I see. Around the back. Restaurant and lounge around the back.
I want space full of water, man.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm going to turn left. We'll come by here again. After we go up and look at some more stuff.
Sign here.
That's that block thing. That road block. I don't know what that roadblock's about. No alcohol or food allowed on the premises. What?
You have to buy it there.
Oh, you have to buy it there. That's what they mean. You can't bring it on. I was going to say, what kind of place? What kind of bar and restaurant is that? What kind of lounge and restaurant would that be? Well, we're part of a caravan here. Part of the caravan.
It's the house. You're making up building a house here, but it's stop.
Huh. That's kind of a high spot. That'd be the place to build your house. It'd be right there because, you know, it's not going to be swampy, but I wonder what the mosquitoes get to be like around here about nighttime. I don't know what I'm going to do when I get up to these cars up here because they don't seem to be, even though I'm going slow.
So what is around here? What it says?
Well, there's several places to go out on the peninsulas and such. So whichever way they go, I'll go the other way. There'll be a turn up here. I might have to start laying on my horn here in a minute. You think?
I don't know if you think that's gonna do you anything.
No, it's not gonna do a bit of good, so I'm not even gonna.
They're gonna run, they're gonna fly.
No, they're not gonna go a bit faster than what they are.
Man. Gee.
Oh my gosh.
A long time house around here, it seems.
It seems like here, there's a road I want to take. Because they went that way. They're going fast though now. I'm going to take this road.
And you can kick it here too? Where this go?
It goes down to the beach. And houses maybe.
It's a dump site here.
Yeah, it seems so. That's too bad. That is too bad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness sakes. That's a shame. So
yes, I'm looking on the ocean right here.
Oh, you can see it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it's not far. But
yeah, it's not far down there. But there's no houses or anything down there, so.
The trees are overgrown.
Yes.
So if you want to see the ocean, you have to walk with a machete and go. Park the vehicle, go chop them out, and then you drive.
Yeah, I may have already lost a lens cover with all this BS. BS, beautiful shrubbery. You people get your mind out of the gutter. I meant beautiful shrubbery. That's the BS I was talking about. Beautiful shrubbery. All right, well.
All them things come dump around
there. Huh?
No, the dumping I'm talking
about. Oh, yeah,
about.
It's a shame. It's a shame. It's a dirty shame. There's no place to turn around. I just had to back up all the way to the road. I probably could have shut the cameras off to do all my backing up here.
I can see building, the top of building.
Oh, there's a cow. See the cow?
I see the cow, but I'm talking about the building going to the beach.
Okay. Well, that was
a waste of time.
yeah, it sure was.
That was shiny. That was glistening.
Oh yeah, look. Okay, I don't know what we have down at the end of this road, but we'll soon see.
Well, it's somebody else or what?
Huh?
No, man, this is somebody's house or I guess house or what?
I don't know, sweetie. That's a big home.
Must be funeral right on that funeral parlor or something.
It says unruly boss on the funeral. Oh, this is some sort of funeral place. Oh, this is a funeral place.
So yeah, closing up on the line.
Why would a funeral place have such a prime real estate near the sea?
You know?
Oh, look at over here. That's where everybody was coming.
Oh, what going on over here?
I don't know, but I'm going to turn around and check it out. I can't drive up in there because I'm not invited. Oh, look here. You could drive down and see the sea. Let me just see how far I can go. I don't want to get stuck out here, but y'all can see. You can all see. Look how beautiful the blue.
And the camera's eyes.
Yes. Just beautiful. You know, it's the kind of stuff we get to see every day, people. Living in Jamaica. Come to Jamaica. It's a beautiful place. You know. So a lot of people would argue it's the most beautiful place in the world. You know, Dee's saying she thinks it's the greatest place. She's gonna stay here. Dee Mwongo. What?
No, I'm just wondering if it's really a funeral place, or maybe it's not.
What's this guy doing here? You trying to figure out where to go? He doesn't know what he's doing. He wants to come down here, maybe. Okay.
Music playing,
Yeah.
or something them have over there, and they're in red.
Oh yeah, they got some sort of a party going or something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, happy birthday! It says.
Oh, it's somebody maybe having a birthday party.
Yeah, it says happy birthday. I see the sign.
What those things look like in the yard, like
They're things to go over for the family to sit under in the shade at a funeral.
at a funeral.
Yeah, that's a funeral parlor. Yeah, there's no doubt in my mind. Okay, there's nothing really to see to the right here because we just, that yellow house is right there that we saw at the beginning of this video. It was so lovely. It was a great start.
Yeah.
You know, well, you can see it down there. Huh, there's a delivery man on the motorcycle. So, we're going to go down this way and see what we could find. We'll go past the VIP lounge and restaurant where no alcohol or food is allowed, which I still don't understand that. How can you have a restaurant and a lounge?
I mean, not allowed to come on the compound.
I know what it means. I'm making a joke. You don't know how I love to joke?
Oh, this cow is big.
He's a big one. Well, he's not really that big.
He has a lot of beef. He looks fleshy.
He's fleshy. Fleshy.
Yeah. He's not meager, you know.
He's not a meager cow.
No, he has a lot of nice, pretty beef. Carrying.
You're gonna have to stop at the store and buy some steaks for you, it sounds like. Oh, I did want to, that did remind me, people, you notice I got a beard going here. Did you all see that? I'm sure you must have seen my beard going. The reason, if you all watched our video a few days ago, or a week ago, whatever it was by now, you noticed that Madge made over that goat's beard. So, well, I got to thinking, you know, maybe if I got my own self a beard, she'd go over he'd go over and over me. So how do you like my beard?
I don't see how many beard.
So if I got a beard like that goat, would you find me very attractive?
Yes.
Oh, well, this I'm not shaving, people. I'm going to leave it going because you heard the way she went on about that black Rammy that we saw the other day over there, and where was that, in Retreat?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the vehicle lead into that.
Mm-hmm. So it's kind of an entertainment area down in here.
Mm-hmm.
They've got this VIP
restaurant
lounge, and then they have that entertainment place there. You know, in that entertainment place, they probably have all kinds of things going on there. Those people are...
Yeah, like you pay to keep whatever you want.
Mm-hmm.
Like whether it's a wedding reception.
Yeah, and they put it on for you.
You know? Yeah.
Yeah, and then that's the kind of thing that's going on over there by that Barking Lodge corner, where you turn off to go to Barking Lodge.
Look at this house.
Ooh, that's interesting stuff.
It seems like some old-time
Old-time style.
Food scene storybook.
Yeah. It does. It really does.
Yeah. It's old-fashioned.
Uh-huh.
And see a container there, so you can bet is maybe some returning resident there.
Mm-hmm. Now, did we... Oh, yeah, we came down here and turned around. Remember, we saw this house?
Yeah.
And I was looking forward to this part of the journey because we'd be able to see this house here. And it's under construction.
Mm-hmm.
It's under construction right now.
Yeah.
It's a nice house. There's some people looking at it from the back like maybe they're going to be the people who it's going to belong to.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. I honked at her, but that was it. That's a nice house.
Mm-hmm.
That's really going to be something.
But making big houses.
You know, it just...
And that is far, that can live in.
Yeah, wow. And then look at, that place is all walled in. It's not much there, but...
Somebody's place.
There's a little back road there. I don't need to go down. Okay, I need to look at my mappy and see where I'm addy.
Oh, that's the public beach over there. Prospect public.
Oh, that little road there is a road, but it doesn't really... Oh, this is the Prospect Public Beach.
Yeah.
You want to drive down there or no?
You can try and see.
What's that road there? I don't see that on here. Oh, that one goes to the... Okay, I see where I want to go now.
Where?
I do want to go on this road. Past the public beach and down and around. And then we come back this way. Or something like that. Well, we'll see here.
So you can go right around, right?
Yeah, it seems so.
I could just drive.
Yeah, yeah.
Prospect Public Beach. No lifeguard on duty. No littering.
Okay. Well, it seems like I can just drive on around here, but I guess we'll soon see.
It looks like the road ends too.
It looks like the road ends, but I thought on my map here it didn't look like it ended. So, I guess my map has led me.
See some boats out there. Well, I see boats, I see ships. See ship over there.
And then like you were saying, when you look out there, you see the ship way over there.
Yeah, I see the ship.
And then just like some boats.
Yeah, some boats, yeah.
Those aren't fishing boats, so they're more like...
I see like boat down there.
There's some fishing boats over there. And then here's the Lyson Beach. You can see over there to the left. Hopefully you can see under that tree. My camera's maybe too high. I may have to get around here. It's not a huge beach, but it goes out a ways, with the shallowness.
Yeah.
The shallowness goes out a ways, so you can enjoy that. It looks nice. The waves aren't real strong or anything here, you know, because it's in this little bay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, well, that road that I was just on, according to this map, it goes all the way around.
Well,
But according to reality, it
it's
doesn't.
closed.
According to reality, it doesn't. Maybe there used to be a road there and some hurricane took it out years and years ago and they didn't bother to get it taken off the map, you know. So we have this little road here, and this little road, and this road here. That doesn't make sense to me. I'm going to take this road here because this may be the one that.
We passed by this road already.
No.
With that.
This might be the road that was supposedly the one I thought I was on, but I wasn't. You know what? That might be. Oh, yeah. Oh, I must have this set for car instead of set for walking. Because when I have it set for... It centers itself on the road if you have it on set on car.
No one occupies this house.
It doesn't seem so. It looks totally empty. It's not even complete.
Not complete. But it can be lived in.
Yeah. Wow, look at the hay. The straw, the whatever.
What is it? Is it from the coconut?
It's coconut trash.
Remember, yes, because remember we see trucks with the coconut, so they use it to do what?
I don't know. But they got plenty of it.
I don't know, they use it to make something. Wow, that's a whole lot.
That's a lot of coconut trash. This is a nice secluded house. Look at that tall pine tree thing.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
That's nice.
That's pretty. The yard needs chopped out, but it's really a nice place. It's just even got a painted zinc.
Pomegranate in the tree.
Oh yeah, right here, painted zinc roofs and stuff. But you know.
But
this house is being built onto. Or being built, one of the two.
Built on. Being built on.
Onto it seems.
It's big, it's good. Way back.
Huh.
Look at this.
Yeah. But the water was coming across here. Probably went through here too. I better make sure it doesn't get too deep on me.
Huh. Yeah, water was beating here. You can see the grass.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But it didn't get too deep there. So that's the kind of place you got to be careful of because you can't assume it.
Yeah.
Because the water can make it. It can be It could be a 3-foot drop off.
Yeah.
So I suppose I would have. Well, looks like that's a new house. I don't even know that it's occupied yet.
It's not occupied.
It's large. Oh, look at this. And their view of the sea.
This looks nice.
Wow.
Look all over here.
Wow, look at the size of the
doors.
Look.
The doors are talking.
Yeah, how you can see right through it and
what is bushed up like it's here?
Yeah, it's like
the gate.
And it's got wasp nests all over it. See?
The person changed their mind after they spent all
Maybe.
this money.
I don't know what happened.
It's big.
It's huge, yes.
2 floor.
Huh. Maybe the wasp spread them out.
You know, sometimes people die, you know.
Yeah, that's true. You got all kinds of people down here
and then
cooking and stuff.
It's a fishing beach, it looks like.
A fishing beach.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Should I drive down in there? No? Okay. Maybe some great pictures, but somebody might not want to be in pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
Which side you gonna go?
I'm going to go on the left side. I'm in Jamaica.
Oh,
Boy, there's something back over here.
something massive.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're
I
having
don't know, maybe we go down and we could see some octopus selling or something.
we're having quite the tour today.
Then they would want to sell us for
They'd want to what?
sell us for
Tourist price?
yeah.
Once they spied me,
Yeah.
they'd want to charge us tourist price.
Oh, there's something big. Look at the gate. Look at it.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna pull up here.
I know. That's what we stay out on the main and see. I think this place may be far.
I don't see any other building on it though. It's an entertainment place. They do entertainment here.
You know this singer that name Morgan, and he have Morgan Heritage. It's
See, because they have the little ticket place or the little guard
Yeah.
shack.
I'm wondering if it's his place because he has somewhere down Blue Mahoe. So maybe. Yes, house on you see a house here.
Oh, I see. But it's just a zinc house.
The top is as but you see, maybe it's not for living, it's just for when you're having some.
Oh yeah. That's true. These are not, there's a couple of nice houses here.
Down here, son, good.
Oh, they're all nice. They all look good. That's an older house, but it's nice.
Mm-hmm. We're going back on the main now.
Mm-hmm. Well, or I can just take this frontage road. There's a frontage road here. I wonder what kind of shape the frontage road's in. Maybe I don't want to bother with it. Oh, I thought I'd take that frontage road, but I'm not going to bother with it. I'm just going to drive slow when I get on the highway here. Make everybody mad at me. Because this is still part of East Prospect. To the right, anyway. To the left, I don't know what it is. So we're just going to drive slow and let people go past me. So that's what we're going to do.
You see, if we were over on that road there, it would be too near to the houses.
Mm-hmm. That's true. No, that's true. And this is some part of Prospect to our left.
Prospect,
but that's not the part we're doing right now. So.
Mm-hmm.
There's the hardware store.
It's not a girl.
The girl used to run the library. It's their place. I don't want to go real fast because I have my little sunshades on.
And where I see something that I want, maybe I will go and go.
Oh, now this is the one that's called. This is East Prospect. I thought that's what the other one was called.
Welcome to East Prospect.
I thought the other one was called East Prospect.
So what was over there?
We're gonna have to look at the sign.
But I think I see East Prospect.
I thought so too.
There's the sign at the front. I think that says East Prospect there too. There is a lot of like guest houses.
See now we went down this road here.
We do this, yeah.
So I go down and let me see what's down there.
You look on the road to see what's coming because your car.
Yeah. Oh no, it doesn't go far enough to really.
We drive there and we went around down to where.
Yeah, I'm not going to bother with it right now. I think we go ahead and wrap this one up because we've pretty much seen everything. We drove back here fast the other day, but today we're driving slow, so we're gonna.
Hockeys.
Gold Star Hardware. Oh, there's some stuff back up in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and we saw the back of that. We saw the. Well, that's where we saw. What's his name?
Moko boy.
Kopi. Saw Kopi. Then this road here takes you the back way back up in there. See?
He was cutting some yard.
Yeah, the back way up in there. So I'm going to go up here to where we entered here. I think that's what I'm going to do. Well, there's some more houses here that are part of it. And then there's, even to the left, there's a big church. So I went fast here the other day. So today I'll go a little slower, and because we were heading for the hills the other day when we drove here.
This long building.
Oh, it's right here. We got to look at the sign because what's East Prof? Oh, this is block 2.
Yes.
Oh,
that's the difference.
See, this is block 2, Blue Mahoe. Let me see, get here where they can see the sign here. I don't know how far back I can go here without running into people.
I mean, no, you would running up people to, cause it's a big club.
There, I suppose they can see that sign.
What you gonna do? You supposed to? Yeah, supposed to. Where you gonna turn?
I might turn. I haven't decided yet. We're gonna end this video though, right here, because this is the neighborhood we did. Okay. All right, people, we're gonna wrap it up right here, staring at the neighborhood watch sign.
East Prospect, block 2, Blue Mahoe.
So, thanks for joining us. We're gonna have to get the frog icon. I see that. You know, the little frog icon I use. I better turn so I don't have to use the frog icon for this guy. Okay. All right. Thanks for joining us, people. We had a great time. Bless up yourself. Big up yourself. Oh, wait. No. Thanks for joining us on Red Button Journal. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later. And amen. Amen.